You have everything you need to be successful. Sounds too good to be true, right? Startup entrepreneurs might feel, no, I don't have money, capital to start off with my dream. I don't have enough money. Student might say, no, I don't have the college that I wished I was in to achieve the kind of success that I want to or I'm aiming for. Similarly, every wife or spouse or partner can say, I don't have a supportive partner to achieve my dreams. Whatever it is required for you to be successful, I know you don't have right now, and you might feel it is too good to be true to think that I have everything. Trust me. Self discovery is a point where you realize that you have everything, you have all the resources that are required to be successful. The only point you need to reach is self discovery. Self discovery is a point where you get to a conclusion that I'm tired of all the miseries, I'm tired of blaming others, I'm tired of blaming my own past mistakes, I'm tired of going into guilt, I'm tired of not having control over my life. And at this moment, what you will realize, I need to work on myself, I need to work on something that is lacking in me. I cannot keep blaming the stars, my loved ones, I cannot keep blaming economy, I cannot keep blaming the country, government, everything for lack of my success. How can I go from point A to point B is the self-discovery point. It's the eureka moment when the person starts thinking that I'm going to work on myself, no more living by default. How can I leave my legacy in this world? How can I create impact on other people? This makes us think deeply. What can I leave behind? That is the moment of awakening, of conscience. That will make you successful. See, my primary job when someone comes to me is to give him the awareness about who he or she is. Why do they do the things that they do? And what can help them keep doing the things that are going to give them success in any of the areas in their life. That is my primary job. I always say awareness is the key. Why do I say that? In COVID, when there was awareness, it is spread just by doing socialization. Then people came up with masks, they came up with sanitizers. Slowly and slowly the methods to avoid the COVID virus coming into us was evolving. The method to deal with it was evolving. Similarly, when we are aware that this is who I am, this is how I handle things, this is the reason why I have been taking these decisions repeatedly. Suppose you are a person for whom on the top priority is helping others, and then you often wonder, why am I not able to lose weight? Why am I not able to work on my career? Why am I not able to prioritize myself? And then you end up blaming others. Oh, my husband expects me to get the food on time. My in-laws expect me to give them medicines on time. They don't allow me to work on my dreams. They don't allow me to work on my goals or do a job outside. Sometimes men might say that my wife doesn't allow me to go and socialize with my friends. She always wants me after the office at home only. She kinds of get her mood off when I think or I talk about hanging out with my friends. See, all the things happened when subconsciously for you others come previous to yourself, your own me time. So understand yourself, what kind of person you are first, and then you are going to come out of this blame game. Otherwise, entire life will go and you will end up blaming stars, you will end up blaming the time, you are going to end up blaming the economy, you are going to end up blaming the government, your friends, your loved ones. In fact, every single thing that is around you, you are going to end up blaming, and still you are not going to have any solution. So the secret lies in actually understanding ourselves to the core of our subconscious. When you understand that, you start blaming others and you start taking actions which suit your subconscious values, which suit your subconscious pattern of thinking, your subconscious priorities of things in your life. And then you start going ahead and achieving your goals in a much happy manner. I hope you understand this and you find this video in best of your health. I really can't wait to help you if you ever need me to help you in understanding your subconscious, in understanding who you really are, in discovering yourself. If you are watching this on YouTube, then like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you get on these updates, these kind of videos more and more. You share this video so others can also get benefited by this. If you're watching this on Instagram, you can go to the link in my bio and book a 30-minute clarity call so that we can get on a clarity call and work around how you can actually figure out what are your subconscious values. In that ways, you will really understand how to deal with life in a very holistic manner and not progress in one section and then go below in another section. That's what it is all about. All the best. Hope you have a great life.